Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I gotta get some cleaning done. It seems like that's all I have been doing lately. The kids are officially now on spring break, so we don't have to worry about any kind of schoolwork. So we need a break, y'all. We need this. But I'm gonna get some cleaning done. My cleaning is kind of all over the place lately because now that the kids are home, they kind of help me with cleaning. Like I really don't have to clean their rooms or anything like that, not like deep clean or anything. So I will get, the first thing I want to do is get some laundry done. So let's get started. But even with the kids home, there's always laundry to be done. It's a non-stop job, but I actually do not mind doing laundry. I find it therapeutic. I know that sounds so weird. I know so many people do not like doing laundry, but I enjoy it. It's the time I get to sit down and watch some TV because I really don't watch TV throughout the day unless it's like a specific day that I say today I'm going to binge watch some shows. But other than that, I don't watch TV throughout the day unless I'm getting ready to go to bed. And then that last hour or two, then that's when I will watch TV. So that's why I don't mind doing laundry. And then now that my kids are older, laundry is not that bad because they put their own clothes away. So that makes it a lot easier for me. So for mamas that got babies and toddlers, I promise you, the older they get, the easier they get. Of course, it has not been that long since I wiped down this washing machine and dryer, but it's right back to being super dusty. If you watch my Get It All Done video, y'all saw that I did a deep clean in this laundry room, but because it's right next to the garage, plus it's the laundry room gets super dusty. It has to constantly be wiped down, but I'm trying to keep on top of it so I don't have to do a deep clean again for quite some time. So now the governor of Georgia has declared a stay-at-home order. So we, of course, are for real home. We were for real home before, but we definitely for real home now. So we've been trying to find different things to do. My husband is now working 2 days a week, and then he works 3 days. And I don't know how they have it where the schedule where he works 2 days a week, so he could be off for 5 days straight, and then he'll work 3 days, and then vice versa. I don't know how to do it. But when he is home, we definitely have a lot more fun because when it's just me and the kids, I'm known for not being the fun parent because I'm always so serious. According to my kids, my husband is definitely the fun parent. They go to him to have any sort of fun. So when he is home, we do all kinds of stuff. So we've been playing board games, ping pong. My husband opened up the tent and put it in the middle of the living room, and that's where my kids and my husband and I slept that night. Y'all, my back was stiff the next day, but we've been doing all kinds of stuff.
Try to just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of, it's true. It's so obvious, but I'm holding back.
Now that it's 90 degrees outside, it's pretty much hot, y'all, here in Georgia. So last year, after summer was over and the kids were back to school, Walmart had a lot of stuff that was summer stuff, 50% off, 75% off. And that I bought like a whole case of chalk and bubbles and all kinds of stuff, basically a bunch of summer stuff, and then I put it away in a container and put it in the garage. Well, that's what's been saving me now because I opened up that container, and that's what's been keeping my kids busy outside. I let the kids play in the driveway. We go out for walks. So I want to ask you guys, what have you been doing to keep busy during this time?
Like a storyline and a few cliches.
The only thing I had to do in my living room was straighten up and vacuum because the night before we had movie night and we were watching this documentary on Disney Plus. I think we were watching the dolphins one. It's called Dolphin Reef, and it was Disney was the one who did this. The night before that, we watched the elephant one, and the narration on there is so good. We enjoyed it. It was funny. There's some parts that was like sad, like here and there, but the kids loved it, so I definitely recommend those. We also watched Onward on Disney Plus, which was so good. I loved it. I did wish that at the end that maybe had a little different of an ending, but we loved that movie as well. So we definitely been watching a lot of movies and stuff. I had to give it up. Disney Plus for me is the best $6.99 a month that I spend.
But it's over now. Yeah, it's all over now. Yeah. You don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess, you don't touch me like I touch you. Never touch me when I kiss you. And you don't. And I must confess that I wish I'll find someone new and forget about you.
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long do we have to put up with this lonely charade? As long as I know that I'm winning, I played this game, but I want you close, baby, right now. I know you feel the same.
So one thing I have noticed as far as laundry that I notice works better for me anyway, or for my family, is that I do laundry day separately for each person. Like for example, right now I'm washing my clothes, and this past weekend I washed my boys' clothes. Sorry, they're mowing the lawn outside. I washed my boys' clothes. They grabbed all their clothes and they took it upstairs and they put all their clothes away, because I just did their clothes. I didn't have to dig through their stuff to get my daughter's stuff out. The day before that, I did Destiny's clothes. I just washed her clothes, put it in the dryer, and then folded her clothes, and then she took her stuff upstairs and she put it away. It was easier for me to do clothes separately on different days than for me to do it all together, because one, it was more overwhelming, and I also noticed it was a lot more work because I had to separate each person's clothes so they could go to different rooms. So for me, that's what has been working so far. So y'all, Destiny is making sure she is wearing her dresses. She refuses to wear a t-shirt and some shorts. So I had to come in here and sit down and just hang out with her because she just wanted me to watch her play with her toys for a little bit.
Feel our bodies trembling, feel my adrenaline increasing. You make me feel that way. You have me in every way.
So my husband just put a roast in the slow cooker. Actually, he did that early this morning. He had it marinated. It's a pork shoulder. He had it marinating last night, and then he is going to, and then we're going to eat that, and it's huge. So we're going to eat that for 2-3 days. And then what I will be doing is I'll make the rice for it later with a side of veggies, probably green beans, because that is what I have. No, I will make it with some salad before it goes bad. I don't want to waste any food, and that's what we'll have for dinner. But when we cook, I try to make sure to cook for at least 2 days, because I do not like cooking every single day, and it seems that's all I've been doing. And there is Miss Lady. The boys are upstairs reading, and she's getting ready to read me a book. Even though they're on spring break, one of the requirements here, I always make sure that the kids, no matter what, have to read at least for 30 minutes. So that's what they're doing now. It's been a minute since I actually wiped down my fridge. Normally, this is something that I do all the time, or this is something that I would do right before I go grocery shopping. But as y'all know, all that stuff went out the window. Things have obviously changed, but it's not that bad. I just like to be able to keep up on top of it, because I do not like doing deep cleaning in the fridge. It's another job I do not like to do besides unloading the dishwasher.
Someday we could finally be friends with our risk of
If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it helps my channel a ton. I don't know exactly how, I just know that it does.
Without hesitation, I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a little lost of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me. I don't know if what we had was just a waste of time, a waste of time. You got 70,000 friends, but I am one of them, one of them. I know someday.
I'm gonna ask you a question. I saw this question on Facebook and then I'm definitely asking this question on my next video. So the question is, when this is all over, where is the first place that you're gonna go to? I know for me, it would definitely be church.
Hesitation, hesitation. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a loss of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something.
Always getting asked what the back of my shirt says, and I get my shirts from Ross. That's where my favorite place to get clothes from. It says, "Worry ends when faith begins."
Loss of balance when I think of you and me. I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me, someone's missing me, yeah. Feel a loss of balance, loss of balance. But I feel there's something missing, someone's missing me.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be your rock. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been.
That will be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next video, guys. Bye.
I just wanna be your bride.